How to install the L4 light. To install the L4 light, first remove the hand strap. Take the green clip and place it over the hand strap hole with the wire holder to the left. Take the light unit and ensure the cable is clipped into the channel. Remove the cover off the tape and slip the light clip over the front brow of the helmet. Ensure the cable stays in the channel. Press the cable into the green clip. Stretch the band over the green clip and secure with the top cap. The light strap now becomes your hand strap. Connect the battery pack by screwing the cable to the pack and clipping it onto the light cable.